in the first place, although we are talking about digital ecosystem, it's about humans. And I think it's so important to bring people together because they need to have trust each other to shape our European future. So it's very important that we come together, exchange our ideas and bring our mission forward.
Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to FACIS Connect 2026.
Katharina Reich is very clear that industrial AI is changing the world, and if we don't have the capabilities and if we don't know how to use it, it might be very dangerous for us.
I think FACIS Connect is really different to another event because here we are really near on the praxis question how we can bring European provider together and to drive AI strategy forward together.
To me, many discussions end on the buzzwords trust and mindset. And this is something that we can inspire, but trust is built on facts. And that is what FACIS, what the Aura vision, the Aura projects provide. So that's the key takeaway for me.
I think we see a lot of changes in the mindset of European corporations in order to understand the importance of digital sovereignty, of open ecosystems, and of really collaborating and working together in order to achieve independency and create open source software and frameworks.
I think we should stop thinking about digital ecosystems as just technological challenges. They are, most importantly, economic challenges that we have to face and organizational challenges. And we have to think from the business perspective and understand the use cases and the future scenarios. And then we have to understand how digital ecosystems can enable the scale up of the business perspective.
Well, we had three different views from the political side, from the industry side, and from the developer side, or those who are implementing this. And it's quite important to bring these views together for a joint mission and move forward. So it's a kind of experiment, but it worked so far, and I'm very happy about this.